Refraction in wave theory. Consider two media which are separated by a surface x dashed. Look at the ray diagram. Let a rarer medium and a denser medium are separated by a surface x dashed. A set of parallel waves are incident on the surface of separation x dashed at an angle of incidence I. PA and QBD are the paths of any of the two waves out of the parallel waves reaching on the surface. AB is the plane wavefront which is incident on the surface at angle of incidence I. Look at the wavefront AB. The wave at A had just touched the surface of separation, whereas wave at B has yet to travel a distance equal to BD to touch the surface of separation x dashed. C is the velocity of light in rarer medium and V is the velocity of light in denser medium, and if T is the time taken for the wave from B to reach D, then distance BD equal to velocity into time, that is equal to C into T. By the time the wave from B reaches D, the wave at A undergoes refraction and travels through a distance AN which is equal to V into T. Since V in denser medium is less than velocity in rarer medium, AN is less than BD. With A as center and AN equal to VT as radius, if we construct a sphere, that will be the secondary wavelet emitting from A in time t. The tangent to the secondary wavelet to D represents the refracted wavefront. The refracted wavefront ND makes an angle R with the surface of separation x dashed. From triangle ABD, what is sin I? Sin I equal to BD by AD. Angle B is 90 degree. Let us write this as equation number 1. From triangle AND, what is sin R? Sin R equal to AN by AD. Angle N is 90 degree. Sin R is AN by AD. Let it be equation number 2. Taking the ratio of equation 1 and 2, sin I by sin R equal to BD by AN. AD get cancel out. And we know BD equal to CT, AN equal to VT, substituting sin I by sin R equal to C by V. According to Snell's law, sin I by sin R equal to refractive index of denser medium with respect to rarer medium, or C by V equal to ND by NR. If the rarer medium is air, then NR equal to 1. The equation can be written as C by V equal to ND, refractive index of the denser medium, which is the law of refraction.